Hello guys and welcome on my YouTube channel Finavi. Today we will talk about the company Kia Motors from South Korea. And at first a quick overview about the topics, and please be aware I'm only talking here about my own opinion, so investing can be very risky. You can lose your whole money, so please inform yourself before you start with it. Okay, so let's get into the business model. So Kia Motors, it's an automobile manufacturer. So they have different types of cars, petrol and electric. They're operating on the global market in more than 180 countries. Their major manufacturing facilities are in South Korea, India, and US. And they try to focus more in EVs and invest there and plan more models. They also try to go into mobility service like car sharing, and the sister company that is part of the Hyundai Motor Group, it is benefiting from the research technology which is shared. Therefore, okay, and when we have a look at the financials, we can see that the profit on sales it got higher the last years, like 6 or 8%, but during Corona it was only 2.5, and in 2019 it was only 3%. The P ratio got from the 16 or 10 down to 4, but that's because they made a higher net profit. So yeah, just to be aware of that. And regarding the net assets and total debt, the net assets are higher than the total debt. Okay, and now we look at the dividends. So we can see here that since 2009, the dividend got risen up, but then in 2017 it decreased. Then it got up again. It decreased again in Corona. Then the following year it tripled, so that is quite impressive. And then it got also risen up higher and higher. So we can see here, like for the classic car manufacturers, it's not a very stable dividend that it just rises up. It can also go down in the crisis. Okay, so what are the risks? So the other electric vehicle competitors, like from the traditional car manufacturers, like maybe from Toyota or Volkswagen or Tesla, but also new EV entrants like BYD, you maybe knew, or MG. Yeah, so there are different possibilities. Also the supply chain disruptions, so that there is a problem with semiconductors, for example. But also regulatory pressure. So that means like environmental regulations. Yeah, also brand perception. Maybe the Kia brand is still be viewed as a lower tier in some markets. And current fluctuations, so the exposure to change in the Korean won. So that can also impact the profitability. And the chances, it's the growth in the EV sector. So to grow more, make more cars, make good technological innovation, go in the emerging markets in the India and Asia, try to be very sustainable and get the leadership there for the EV and hydrogen fuel technologies. And yeah, Hyundai synergies, so the sharing of car platforms and innovation, so that can also be a chance. Okay, so overall, what is their own opinion? So yes, so Kia does not look that bad. Yeah. The financials are not bad, and the dividend could also risen up in the good years, but yeah, nobody knows how the EV what there will happen, but I think it's definitely more worth for detailed analysis to look into Kia. Okay, well guys, thanks for watching to the end. Um, I wish you a really nice day. Please like and sub. Write a comment about Kia or car manufacturers or whatever you want. I like to discuss with you. And I will see you with the next analysis. Bye.